Hello, hello everyone. I am Syed Hassan. I am going to start my YouTube channel, Grow with Syed. I am not going to speak such complicated things. My topic will be very simple, and my audience will be all over the peoples in the world, because I am going to give us something very crispy and something very new, which will be very useful for all of us. Most important things I would like to say that in these videos and in these small kind of lectures, I am never going to use the word you, because I am not going to address someone other. I am just addressing myself, because the improvement requires in me, not anyone other. My concept is very simple, which I am going to take away in all my audience and lectures. That is, from the day the peoples are communicating with each other, and even the day when this all will be done, will be end, the A to Z 36 digits and words together are all 0 to 9, which are going to be repeated by everyone. For example, if I say from a nursery boy to a man of 60 years, everybody says A for apple. I'm just going to say, why A for apple? Why not other things from A? This will be the main focusing point on which I will be going on. I will be going to do these videos in English as well, in Urdu. Hindi is my basic mother tongue, and basically I will speak in Saraiki. The Saraiki is going to be my very own terminology, and I'm sure that you will all like this. And definitely these videos will be having some fun, some crunchies, not in these lectures videos, but that should be in some other kind of videos. And I will request all of you to subscribe my channel, Grow with Syed, and all of your information, all of your value additions, all of your references are very helpful for me to make it a very good value addition for the society. I have a lot of dreams, I want to do a lot of things, and I will be very happy if someone is coming with me voluntarily, and we all are going to do this all. This all will be having 3-4 minutes videos. Gradually it will be increasing, and from this first part I'm going to end this and just trying to spread this all over on my social media, like on Facebook, on Instagram, WhatsApp and LinkedIn. And I'm damn sure that this my little things will be very helpful for someone. And if someone is going to speak with me personally, most welcome. You will find my email address and my numbers at the end of the video. And I'm really very thankful to few of the peoples who has given me such kind of the courage and who are going with me. Even I am not seeing them, even I have not met them, but they are always with me. Especially I would like to thank my father, my mother, and then I will say thanks to all of my teachers back in my schools and universities. And then most probably I will thanks to like Mr. Syed Qasim Ali Shah, the great person of the Pakistan, who is doing this all on voluntarily basis. And I am damn blessed that even I haven't met him personally, physically, but I am just follow him. And then the bunch of the peoples in my business who are always with me as a spiritual leaders, and they are telling me how to spend the life. So this all will be the descriptions which will be going on in coming days. I am thankful to all of you who are viewing this and who are giving some kind of the value additions and some comments in this to make it boost up, and this will be a very helpful addition from me. And I will say all of the people who are listening, you should also create such kind of a small things which can be value added to anyone other. Thank you. Have a great weekend ahead. Bye bye. Good luck.